Working capital is widely accepted as fund. Working capital refers to excess of current assets over current liabilities. Alternatively, working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets refers to all those assets which can be converted into short span of time, usually 1 year. Some of the common and important current assets are cash in hand and at bank, sundry debtors, bills receivable, stock of materials, work in progress, finished stock, prepaid expenses, short term investment, arrears of income. The total of all these current assets minus total current liabilities. The current liabilities refers to all those liabilities which are to be repayable in short span of time, generally 1 year. The important and common current liabilities includes trade creditors, short term borrowings, bills payable, outstanding expenses, income received in advance, bank overdraft. Therefore, total current assets minus total current liabilities is equal to working capital. It is accepted that the changes in financial position reflected in the changes in the net working capital. The net working capital is the difference between opening working capital and closing working capital. If closing working capital is more than the opening working capital, it indicates that the working capital is increasing, so the net working capital is more, therefore it results in inflow of fund into the business. On the other hand, if the opening working capital is more than the closing working capital, the net working capital is negative. It indicates that during the year the working capital goes out of the business, which is known as outflow of fund. Fund means working capital. So, flow of fund means changes in working capital.